Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. This is not just a tablet. It's your canvas, your workstation, your creative powerhouse. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Crafted with precision and elegance, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra screams premium. Its ultra-slim design and durable aluminum body feel as good as they look. Feast your eyes on a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display. Whether you're binge-watching, gaming, or juggling work apps, this screen delivers breathtaking color, contrast, and clarity. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. Expect nothing less than lightning-fast speed, effortless multitasking, and serious power for creative workflows. Meet your new favorite tool, the improved S Pen. Now let's talk about the S Pen, and it's better than ever. With ultra-low latency and enhanced pressure sensitivity, it feels just like writing on paper. Take notes, sketch with precision, or gestures like magic control your presentation from across the room. Need to do more at once? The S11 Ultra lets you run multiple apps side by side. Resize windows, move them freely, or jump into DeX mode to turn your tablet into a full-blown desktop setup. Boost your daily grind with Samsung Notes, GoodNotes, and Clip Studio Paint. Stay synced across your Galaxy phone, watch, and buds. The ecosystem just works beautifully. From creativity to productivity, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra isn't just a device. It's an experience. Ready to power up your potential? That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.